So what, we get drunk. So what we...
Moi je m'appelle Antonin.
Moi je m'appelle Bastien.
Donc on a tous les deux 14 ans.
On va vous présenter différentes sortes de vidéos de magie, donc des tours de pièces, des tours de cartes, etc.
Donc on a commencé la magie il y a 4-5 mois et en fait on a décidé d'ouvrir notre chaîne YouTube pour justement montrer aux gens ce que l'on sait faire et apprendre aussi, surtout apprendre, avoir des remarques pour mieux nous améliorer. Voilà.
Voilà. Allez,
Ciao, à plus.
ciao.
Now, this is my job, I will not quit it. Pull me out the depths when I thought that I was finished. Yeah, I question if I could go the distance. That's just the work, regardless of who's listening. Listen. See, I was meant to be a warrior, fight something amongst me, leave here victorious. Classroom of kids, or a venue performing. If I'd done it for the money, I'd have been a fucking lawyer. Concrete, vagabond, band telling stories. Humbled by the road, I'm realizing I'm not important. See, life's a beautiful struggle, I record it. Hope it helps you maneuvering through yours. That's why we stay in the lab at night. I've been staring into this pad for over half of my life. A true artist won't be satisfied, so I guess that's the sacrifice. And I said, make the money, don't let the money make you. Change the game and let the game change you. I'll forever remain faithful, all my people stay true. I said, make the money, don't let the money make you. Change the game and let the game change you. I'll forever remain faithful, all my people stay true. Forget about the fame, fortune in the mansion.